Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I just got the coolest addition to my workspace, this awesome neon sign. I am just loving this hot pink moment that my room is having now that I have this amazing neon sign from GGK. It is made with really high quality acrylic backing as well as these LED strips. I really love the material that they are made out of. You don't have to worry about that old kind of neon that could break and shatter, but these are super, super high quality. It is so easy to install. It comes with two small holes in the acrylic that make it perfect to hang up, and it is powered by a USB strip, so you just have to plug it into a power source and you are ready to go. I love how you can change it from bright to a little bit lighter, and this is really just the spot that I spend all my time in doing work, but also doing crafts. It really is my happy place, and I love that I have this gorgeous sign now, and it goes so well with all of my RGB setup for my computer. I couldn't be more happy. So if you want something to brighten up your space, then you should get this neon sign. I think it is so cool, and that is my point of view.